Oh, I saw your question on the discussion board. You want to factor this trinomial correctly. This is not correct. It's close. So we have x squared plus x minus 30. We want to factor it correctly. Well, the correct factorization is quantity x minus 5, close quantity, times quantity x plus 6, close quantity. So there's a sign error here. That should be a minus. How do we determine that? Well, the product needs to be negative 30, and the sum needs to be the coefficient of this number, which is understood to be a positive 1. So we're looking for two numbers whose product is negative and sum's positive. Well, to get a negative product, they have to have different signs. And so we're looking for negative 5 and 6. If you multiply, you get negative 30. If you add, you get a positive 1. So those are two numbers we're looking for. Hope that helps.